Hi there, sellers. If you're considering selling your home in Boulder County, then there are a few simple yet very important steps that you can take right now to prepare your home before it's listed. Hi, I'm Jennifer Bright with Coldwell Banker and Jennifer Bright Homes, and I'm here to share 7 simple tips to ensure that your home will be dressed for success. Number 1 thing is to improve your landscaping. Curb appeal is crucial to making a good first impression. Number 2, make the front door inviting. A fresh coat of paint, especially in the color that contrasts with the home, will make the front door stand out. Remove clutter. Number 3. Depersonalize. Buyers want to envision their belongings in your home. If your stuff still occupies the space, the buyer has a hard time imagining living there. Number 4, organize the closets and drawers. Messy closets give the appearance that your home doesn't have enough storage space. Number 5, make every surface shine, from ceiling fans to floors and everything in between. Take the dust out. Number 6, paint your home a neutral color. Just because you like lime green doesn't mean your buyer will. Number 7, eliminate bad odors. If your sellers get a whiff, the only thing they might remember about your lovely home is the bad odor, even if it's in the garage. So if you're considering selling your house in Boulder County, please allow me to assist you in dressing your home for success and having fun doing it.